The Form Lighting LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses are a stylish and functional upgrade for 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs that have factory halogen taillights. These are going to be perfect for those looking to enhance both visibility and aesthetics on the vehicle. These taillights offer a modern LED technology, a sleek smoked finish, and improved safety features compared to the factory lights. These tails are going to feature high output LEDs for brighter illumination than stock halogen bulbs, and they offer better visibility in all weather conditions for increased safety out there on the road. These smoked lenses and the black housings give your Wrangler a stealthy, aggressive, and custom look while still ensuring they're DOT and SAE compliant for street use. The LED technology also provides instant response times, making them a little bit more noticeable to the drivers behind you. Another standout feature is the dynamic startup sequence and the sequential turn signals, adding a premium touch that sets your Wrangler apart from stock. Form Lighting designed these taillights with a durable polycarbonate lens and an impact-resistant housing, making them strong enough to handle off-road environments. The weather-sealed construction ensures protection against dust, moisture, and harsh weather conditions, so you don't have to worry about their water intrusion or fogging over time like some stock lights tend to do. As far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right about that mid-$300 price range for the pair, which is a pretty solid price point for tails that give you a blacked out custom look and upgraded LED lighting. These taillights are going to offer a plug-and-play installation, meaning there's no splicing or wiring required. They connect directly to your factory harness for an easy, hassle-free setup with the included plug-and-play connectors. Installation can be completed in an hour, probably a little bit less of your time, so we're giving this a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Now, let's see exactly how these go on your Jeep with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
All right, for that install, I used basically 2 tools. One was this 10mm socket panel access tool to access the bolt. And I just want to note, a lot of the Jeeps come with this kind of star tool, which you can use to remove the bolt. Simple install. Gonna basically use plastic remover tool there, and then a 10mm socket to access the lighting panel. So I'm just gonna use my little panel remover. Then I'm gonna grab my 10mm socket. You can also use the star tool, but for the integrity of the bolt, I kind of like to use the 10mm socket here. We're just gonna. All right, I'm gonna put the bolt to the side. Light comes off. There's if you can see it, there's a little red tab here. You're just going to pull that out all the way, and then you're just going to press the black tab in and come right off. And there's a little connector here that holds this. We're going to pop that off. Here we go. Now we're free. We have the old ones off. Looks like this is pretty much just plug and play right here. There's an attachment for sequential lights, but I don't like that look, so I'm not going to use it, but others might find it useful. So we're just going to plug this in. Again, snaps right in, lock it. Looks like it fits. I'm going to put the bolt back in. Last thing that looks like we need to do is just pop in a little access panel cap. And that was it.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install for the Form Lighting LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs with factory halogen taillights. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.